Hi, this is Josh from Marble with River City Painters. Just wanted to show you this garage door we were working on. It's not often you get to work on a $4,500 garage door and stain it with $120 a gallon professional stain. So this is a hemlock 3-panel garage door. It's 16 feet long and it's going to be 7 feet high when it's installed. This is the unfinished state. You need to sand all this wood, dust it off, use a tack cloth to get the rest of the dust and debris off of the surface. And I just finished applying the first coat of stain onto the rails and the panels of this piece here. We'll have one more section to do by the end of the day. This will get one more treatment tomorrow after 24 hours, and then it'll be ready to install.